Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the photo you want as a widget and confirming it meets resolution and format needs. Pick one that reads clearly at small sizes, otherwise detail will vanish. Once chosen, crop to the widget aspect ratio and export as PNG or JPG so the system accepts it. Make sure the file is named clearly and stored in an accessible folder. This prevents confusion later when you import. It also speeds up the process on slow. Next, open the widget creation tool on your device, either a system feature or a third-party app, and choose the custom photo widget option. You will import the cropped image you prepared, then adjust scale, position, and any background blur or border settings so the image reads at glance. Once you set size, small, medium, large, preview it on the home screen. If using an app, grant necessary permissions. Otherwise, the widget may fail to show updated images. Finally, drag the created photo widget onto your home screen and place it where it's most useful. You should test tapping the widget to confirm it opens the expected app or performs the desired action. Also verify auto-refresh or rotation settings if applicable. If the widget doesn't appear or updates fail, make sure the widget app has storage and background refresh permissions, clear its cache, and reconfirm the image format. Recreate the widget after changes to force a clean update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.